You have no idea how much I learned from you already. I can only suggest to anybody hearing or seeing this video, become a paid subscriber from Yana, because the amount of knowledge you will gain is incredible.
Working with you has really helped propel me. Okay. And sometimes just having someone to help you along and to give you ideas and suggestions, that has meant everything to me. I don't think I would be where I'm at today without your help.
Thank you, Ellen. Thank you so much.
Yana, you're someone who, I think from the very first day I subscribed to your publication, I knew I was going to become a paid subscriber. I mean, it was that easy. It was that, there are very few people who give very tangible benefits, very tangible, you see, like you're seeing with what you're getting immediately. I didn't even need to become one or talk to someone, but I just knew that you're actually delivering. And you talk a lot about, you use a lot of your experience from your 9 to 5. And I say that, you're just someone that inspires me a lot. So
your Substack, and then I looked at what you offered for VIP, and I said, that's it, I'm all in. I mean, I read your stuff, you know what you're doing, you're proven. It's like, I mean, this is the answer. And I joined a couple others after that, but you're really my go-to person, because you know what you're doing, and the proof is there, and you've guided me along the way. And there's been times that there were things, that you, because of your experience, you suggested maybe I should not do that. And I'm hard-headed and strong-willed, and I've got determination, and I did it anyway. And it cost me some time and set me back. So now I know I'm not an expert in this. You are. So I'm going to listen to what you say. And I would have been a little bit more ahead. So, since that time, things have changed drastically. But that was a huge challenge, is, not knowing how to write and not knowing the platform, and finding people that, do what they say and say what they do. You call it, walk the talk, and you do that. So it helped me tremendously. And I suggest that anybody that comes on Substack, they should definitely join your publication, and they should join mine, but for different reasons. But you need someone to be your mentor. You need someone to show you the ropes, and someone that knows what they're doing. And it's not a bunch of fluff and, make you all these promises and then don't follow through, because that's very important to me. Customer service is huge. I'll pay extra if you give me good customer service. Well, listen to me if you're new, because you don't want to learn it. I learned things the hard way, and I wish I didn't, but it's the way it is sometimes. The first thing I would do is find a mentor. Find somebody that knows Substack, that knows what they require, how to promote and market yourself. Now I'm going to listen, I got to put a plug in for you, because that's how I learned, right? So Yana has just studied more than I'm going to say, but she knows the psychology of numbers, the psychology of colors, when to do things, and just everything that she knows. When you join her publication, you get it. If you want to really get it, go VIP. It's a no-brainer.
Taking it seriously, and I was like, okay, I'm going to invest in this. And I started at your Substack quest.
Yes.
And that for me was the game changer. That your notes viral GBT all the time. Like I'm even going on my honeymoon next week.
Yeah.
And I'm asking it to generate content for those 2 weeks. And I'm scheduling it.
Yeah.
And that way I don't have to, I could just whenever I have a chance to interact, I will.
Yeah.
But at least I know my content is being posted.
Yeah.
And I think that now where I'm at, it's just it's easier.
Yeah.
I have a lot more flexibility with what I'm doing.